To configure a universal shelving unit, you can choose from one of the 4 basic units. Solid sheet metal side panel or shelf support is not important. This can always be changed later. Click on Configure to customize the shelving. In the Type field, you can choose between shelf supports and solid sheet metal side panels. The selection of the fields with a red cross does not visually insert them. It is only inserted in the background in the parts list. The external dimensions of the complete shelf can be adjusted for the height and depth. For side panel shelf support 1, a side panel cover or grating can be inserted for the first shelf support on the left-hand side. The shelf color changes the color of the shelf supports and the top and bottom shelves. Selecting the color of the inserts changes the color of all the shelves in the rack. The number of bays menu can be used to configure the shelf to a length of 8 bays. All bays are created with a width of 850 mm. The shelves can be changed from the smooth version to the slotted version. The width of the first field can be adjusted using the Unit 1 menu. The field can be filled with up to 10 adjustable shelves. When selecting the number of bays, the required diagonal crosses are automatically selected. These can be customized in the menu back attachments into another reinforcement type. For side wall shelf support 2, a partition can be inserted between the bays at the second shelf support. The same selection options are available for the other units. To configure a heavy-duty shelving unit, you can choose from one of the 2 basic units. Click on Configure to customize the rack. The selection of the fields with a red cross does not visually complement them. It is only inserted in the background in the parts list. The external dimensions of the entire shelf can be customized for the height and depth. The frame cover field adds a cover to each shelf support. Side covers can be added on the left, right, or both sides. The color of the entire shelf. The shelf can be extended to a width of up to 6 units. The Unit 1 menu changes the width of the first bay. The back attachments can be customized for the current unit. When covering the inserts, you can choose whether you want a sheet metal cover or chipboard inserts in the pullouts or fixed frames. The top shelf can be changed at the top position. The number of attachments allows you to select the number of pullouts and fixed frames selected in the next step. A further menu has now appeared in which the inserts can be defined. The selection of further fields is identical to the first. Finally, you can click on an pull-out frame to display it extended. To do this, select Pulled Out under Pull-Out. The roller shutter can also be closed by clicking on it. In the Shutter Opening menu, select the desired opening.